Hi guys, in today's video I will show you a small collection of audiobooks. All of these are in public domain in Europe and were published in or after 1923. On this channel you will find videos about public domain works, how to find free out of copyright resources, where to sell them, and how to edit these works. So if you're interested in free content for your blog, POD business, Etsy, or maybe you want to enjoy millions upon millions of free work, then this channel is right for you. Like, share and comment. Any of these will go a long way and will please YouTube gods. And if you don't want to miss another video, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay notified when I post new content. Also, make sure to check my Gumroad store. I post there mainly free supporting files for the videos, like list of various sites and all the links to the works which appear in the videos. So let's get to the site. The site is called Legamus, from Latin means let's read together. According to their about page, they make free audiobooks from texts that are in public domain in Europe. In this context, public domain means that copyright has expired on the original text. And in Europe and many other parts of the world, copyright protection expires 70 years after the author's death. And this is a side project of the readers and volunteers from Librivox. I have a few videos about Librivox and the link will pop up somewhere in the corner of this video. Alternatively, all the links you will find in the description field below. So there aren't thousands of audiobooks here. However, you'll find great readers and nice selection of works in many European languages. To check the audio works, let's go to All Recordings tab. And once we are here, we can see all the audiobooks. We can arrange them also by language in alphabetical order. And there are books in German, English, French, Greek, Hungarian, Italian, Dutch, even Polish and Slovak. Also, there are multi-language versions too. So let's choose one and we can go through the download process and listen to one as well. So for this video I have picked A Full Moon in March by William Butler Yeats. And here we have all the information about the works, license, reader, basically all the much needed metadata. So with regards to the rights, they saying that the original text of this recording is in the public domain in countries where copyright expires 70 years or less after the author's death. But it's still protected by copyright in the USA and some other countries. So please check the copyright law of your country. And there is a hyperlink which will direct you to the Wikipedia entry about copyright length. And they're saying that this recording is released under the CC0 license. There are also a few other links, and one is to another Wikipedia entry about the authors. And the next one is the audiobook download. So once click here, it takes me to another site where the recording is hosted. So and again, we see the public domain statement in here, pretty much the same hyperlink, which will take you to Wikipedia entry. And also you can download all files in a zip archive. So once you click in here, the download starts immediately, and this is a super easy process. Also, you can listen online, and there are free supported formats in here. By default, I'm always choosing MP3. But there are a few other options. So if you use these, then you have them at your disposal. And down below we have a chapters list, and we can even download the individual chapters if we wish, and also listen to them. So once I hover my mouse over any of these chapters, a small orange play button appears on the left. So if you click on it, or anywhere on the chapter's title for that matter,
Section 0 of A Full Moon in March by William Butler Yeats,
the basic audio player will appear. If you experience any problems with playing of these files, you can scroll down to the very bottom of the page and simply report it. They say drop us a line so we can contact people who are behind the Legamus. Moreover, you can also become a reader and volunteer. All you need is a computer and internet connection, also a microphone and some free software. You can find more information in their forum, so if you just click visit the forum, Alternatively, you can just go on the main site, click the forum tab, and you've got entries for various things in here. In order to post anything, you will have to register. So as you see, this is a small site. If you've got any value out of this video, then hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.